Recruitment. Recruitment refers to the process of finding possible candidates for a job or a function. It may be defined as the process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for jobs in the organization. Sources of recruitment. The sources of recruitment may be broadly classified into two categories. They are internal sources and external sources. If an employee is selected within the organization, it is internal sources. And if the selection is from outside the organization, it is external source. Internal sources of recruitment. Promotion. Business enterprises generally follow the practice of filling higher jobs by promoting employees from lower jobs. Promotion leads to shifting an employee to a higher position, carrying higher responsibilities, facilities, status, and pay. Transfers. It involves shifting of an employee from one job to another, one department to another, or from one shift to another, without a substantive change in the responsibilities and status of the employee. Employee referrals. Present employees are well aware of the qualifications, attitudes, experience, and emotions of their friends and relatives. They are also aware of the job requirements and organizational culture of their company. As such, they can make preliminary judgment regarding the match between the job and their friends and relatives. Merits of internal sources. Internal sources of recruitment has many merits, like it serves a source of motivation to the workers, reduces the complexity of selection process, and saves time and money. Demerits of internal sources. Internal sources of recruitment is criticized from several grounds. It stops the firms to get fresh talent. Frequent transfers may hamper the organizational performance, and also if the promotion happens on time bound, it will affect the quality of employees also.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.